everyone, Namaste. On the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Papri welcome you all in today's video. Today I'm going to talk about another interesting activity that is compiled by the most successful and innovative platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. Today's idea is developed by the innovative educators of UP Board for subject English Class 5, Chapter number 1. Chapter name is Don't Give Up, and the idea that we are going to implement today is known as self-created dictionary. So let's start with the innovation of this idea. So the innovation of this idea, self-created dictionary, is to enhance the vocabulary of the student based on the concept that is associated with the chapter through the formation of a dictionary. The time duration for implementing this idea is about 20 minutes. Now, before we start with the creation of the dictionary, ensure that the reading, building and the explanation of the concept of this lesson have already been done in the class. So in the starting, educator gives some sets of instruction to the students to create the dictionary at their home. For example, students will have to read the lesson thoroughly and they have to note down all the difficult words and the new words that they came across while reading the lesson, and write all those new words in an old notebook. Here, students can write the words according to their level of understanding. Now, after noting down the difficult words, ask students to ask the meaning of those difficult words from their family members, or they can refer a dictionary for the meaning. Now, student can write the meaning against the word in the notebook. For this lesson, the difficult words can be overcome, make it, keep on, put up, put on, and so on. After the completion of the creation of the dictionary, ask students to show gratitude towards their parents for their help. Now, on the next day, educator initiate a discussion on the new words that is collected by the students in the class. Conclude by appreciating the students and motivating them to use the new words gathered by them in their day-to-day conversation. Now, if we talk about the learning outcome that are achieved in this idea are read aloud and appropriately pronunciation and pauses, expresses orally his or her opinion about the understanding of the story, use dictionary to find out spelling and the meanings. Now, there are some points that is need to remember, like this story is suggested to be taught as per the syllabus guideline. Inclusion of learning outcome of English facilitate an integrated approach to the learning, while student answer the various questions and follow the given sets of instruction given by the educator. Now, the implementation of this activity is on the daily basis leads to the formation of a self-created dictionary for all the students. This idea will help in focusing on multilingual approach as discussed in 2000 in NCF 2005, and students are able to understand the concepts in a better way. The duration of the implementation of the innovative idea is based on the assumption that the pupil-teacher ratio PTR is constant at 30:1. Now, if we talk about the life skills and the values that can be touched upon while teaching the lesson are the core life skill that can be included while playing the game or implementing this activity are critical thinking and decision making while inquiring about the different words and their meaning, Values that can be touched upon are the patience, that is the ability to wait or to continue doing something, something despite of difficulties. And the next value that can be touched upon is gratitude, that is quality of being thankful towards their parents for their help. Now this idea also have some benefits for the children with the special needs, CWSN, and those benefits are that this activity will help children with the ADHD specifically in improving their attention span. Also, this will help slow learners and the children with the learning disability to sharpen their memory by learning and doing the activity. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like this video and hope you will implement this idea in your classroom. And if you do like the video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and click the bell icon for all the future notifications. Also, if you are in Facebook, you can also like our Facebook page, Sri Aurobindo Society, ZIIEI, and you can also download our innovative Pathshala app from the Play Store. Thank you.